it is certainly not about the fiber. It is about the construction of the fabric, how the fabric is made, the weave of it, and the composition of the fabric. So what kind of natural fibers are combined together. The most important breathable weaves that we consider is plain weave, lino weave, gauze weave. These are the most breathable fabric because they allow air to ventilate through. They have nice pores, nice holes. More than the fabric, it is important how the weave of the fabric is made and the composition, what blends we are using. So it is not important that fiber matters the most. Generally, when you are using a fiber or looking at a fiber, the fabric which has air pockets in it. Natural fabrics, the hand-woven fabrics are certainly the most breathable fabric is because they are hand-spun. So the thinness and the thickness of the fabric, the staple of the yarn, is not stable. So these irregularities in the fiber brings you unevenness in the fabric, which creates very small, tiny air pockets. So it lets the air pass through. So this is the most important way to analyze the fabric is breathable or not. It should have some tiny air pockets to let the air pass. Knit fabrics that is why they are mostly used in the t-shirt. Knit fabric is made through interlooping of the yarns. However, a woven fabric is made through interlacing of the yarn. It generally brings air pockets in the fabric, so which definitely make knit more breathable. Woven are also breathable, however knit are more breathable than the woven fabric. That is why it is certainly used for very regular t-shirts and comfortable clothing. No, there is no any one perfect breathable fabric. Like we have talked about moisture regain. We have seen that wool apparently has the most moisture regain capacity. And we have talked about knits. Knits have, because of their interlooping weaving pattern, it is again forms very nice air pockets and has more moisture absorbing capacity. So there is no one fabric I would say, but there are options and there are levels of moisture and breathable capacity fabric and fiber has. So nature solved all the problems long before all the technologies came. They have naturally inbuilt moisture absorbing capacity. So they come out to be the most popular ones out of all. Natural fabrics like cotton, linen, hemp, wool, they have natural capabilities of managing the air flows and the moisture. So they remain popular amongst all the fabrics. Start with breathable fabric, start with very basic linen shirt, a cotton trouser or a cotton kurta. These generally are summer essentials as they allow you to live your day comfortably. All of these fabrics will make a bigger difference in your wardrobe more than the silhouettes and the color as per the trends you choose. Another topic that we would like to add in this conversation is about comparison of different fabrics on breathability. Linen and hemp. They both have excellent breathability. Linen has moisture wicking and ideal for hot climates. Hemp is very good with moisture management. Merino wool, excellent thermoregulations for all seasons. Cotton, comfortable but dries slower than linen and hemp. Silk, good breathability and moderate moisture management. Polyester, low moisture regain but can engineer for high wicking. When we talk about breathable fabrics, so two topics come in our mind, which is moisture regain and moisture wicking. Moisture wicking is a fabric's ability to move sweat away from the skin so it can evaporate quickly. It differs from moisture regain, which measures moisture absorption into fiber.